Welcome to Drawing with Fire. If you've ever wanted to create stunning pieces of art using the unique technique of wood burning, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of pyrography, where you can transform simple wood into beautiful, hand-lettered masterpieces and other easy artwork. I'll guide you through the basics, from choosing the right tools to mastering essential techniques. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, I've got some fantastic projects lined up that will spark your creativity and help you make amazing art. Get ready to unleash your artistic side as we explore how to draw with fire. Let's jump in and start creating. Feel free to adjust any part to better match your style. Kick your crafting up a notch with incredible handmade wood burnings. Whether you want to combine inspirational hand lettering with alpine charm in the mountain scene wood burning or complement your farmhouse aesthetic with one-of-a-kind deer silhouette wall decor, the art of pyrography is an easy, enjoyable way to fill your home with custom art. Anne Carver is the founder of Pyrocrafters, and in this book she shows you exactly how simple this impressive craft is. With just a wood canvas and a wood-burning tool easily found at craft stores, you can make anything you can imagine. Each easy-to-follow project provides a traceable design template, then walks you through a essential techniques like outlining and shading. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey into the world of wood burning. I hope you found inspiration and valuable tips to start your own beautiful hand-lettered projects and artwork. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your wood burning creations, so share your projects in the comments below or tag me on social media. Let's keep the creativity flowing. Until next time, happy burning! With a variety of pieces like the darling keepsake box with ink and the majestic eagle eye portrait, you can hone your pyrography skills as you create your own wonderful wood burnings. So grab your canvas and wood burning tool, because it's time to play with fire.